In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Google Sheet, which means you'll learn exactly how to change the owner of a Google spreadsheet. This is a super useful skill, especially when you need to hand off important files to a coworker, a team member, or if you're simply changing roles and someone else needs to manage the sheet. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth transition and avoid any confusion or issues down the road. Let's get started by opening the Google Sheet you want to transfer. Make sure you're logged in with the account that currently owns the spreadsheet. Only the owner of the file has the ability to transfer ownership, so if you don't see the option later on, double-check that you're using the right account. Once your sheet is open, look to the top right of the screen and click on the Share button. A window will pop up, showing you a list of people who already have access to your file. If the person you want to transfer ownership to is not listed there, go ahead and type in their email address in the field provided. Then click Send to share the spreadsheet with them. Remember, the ownership transfer can only be made to someone who has editor access, so if they're not already an editor, make sure to select the editor permission when sharing the file. After you've added the person as an editor, you'll see their name or email show up in the list. Next to their details, you'll see a little drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and look for the option that says Make Owner. Click that, and you'll get a confirmation window asking if you're sure you want to make this person the new owner of the file. Keep in mind that once you transfer ownership, you won't be able to reverse this unless the new owner decides to transfer it back to you. Review the details, and if you're ready, confirm your choice by clicking Yes or Send Invitation. The new owner will receive an email letting them know they've been made the owner of the sheet. One important tip: ownership can only be transferred between users within the same organization in certain cases, especially if you're using Google Workspace accounts with organizational restrictions. Also, if you're using a personal Gmail account, you can generally transfer to any other Gmail user. But be aware of any limitations set by your admin if you're part of a business or school. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, you've successfully transferred ownership of your Google Sheet. Now the new owner will have full control over sharing, permissions, and even deleting the file if necessary. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips on using Google tools.